Pawar and I have done my optometry from Lakshmi Institute, and now I am doing fellowship from Indian Academy of Optometry in spectacle dispensing. So today we are going to speak about some frame measurements. So for example, customer has selected this frame, then we have to consider some frame measurement. So the horizontal length of the lens is considered as A size. So for example, the horizontal length is A size. Then if we measure the vertical length, so for example, if we are measuring the vertical length, then it considered as a B size. Whereas we also consider the distance between the lenses known as DBL or breach size. So we simply place the ruler against it and we'll measure the DBL. All these details are also mentioned on the frame. So in some frame it mentioned on the temple, or in some frame it mentioned on the breach. So if you're able to see, in this frame it's mentioned on the breach. So it's mentioned it's A size, and then there is a box which represents the boxing system. Then we also measure the temple length. So in such frame like this, it has the straight temple. So we can directly measure the overall temple length. So we simply place the ruler against it and we'll measure the temple length. So here the temple length is 135. But some frame has a temple bend also. So the frame like this, it has front to bend, then we have to measure the bend to end, and the addition of both will give the total temple length. So we simply place the ruler against it and we'll measure the front to bend. So here front to bend is 90. If we measure the bend to end is 45, then the total temple length is 135. So in this frame, all the details are mentioned on the side of the temple. Also, we have to consider some lens measurement. So usually we'll take the IPD measurement. So after taking the marking, if customer is selecting the progressive lens, then we have to consider the fitting height. So we usually measure from the eye center to the lowest edge of the lens. We'll consider it as a fitting height, which is necessary in progressive. But if customer is selecting the bifocal lenses, then we have to consider the segment height. So this measurement will take the marking as the lower eyelid marking. So we'll measure from the lower eyelid marking to the lowest edge of the lens is considered as a segment height, which is necessary in bifocal. So here segment height is 17, which is sufficient, and the fitting height, if we check, the fitting height is 22, which is also sufficient for the progressive. I'll just show you some. Your formal attire is sports wear. Yeah, show you something in half plate or something dangerous. So this gloves are actually not that much, but they enhance your half plate. Yeah, it's bit there. Yes, I'll show you some videos. It has straight fingers, so it won't affect your feedback. Not glass, right? Yeah, it's not glass, it's copper. It's actually that metal. Even fitting wise, it's more. Closer, we can. Yeah. Just check now, sir. Yeah, even its look wise look very nice. It's perfect.
The price?
So it's for 8,000 only.
Need the glass.
Yeah.
Possible in the
Yeah, definitely. You have your prescription. Yeah. So, I'll just show you.
And there is some offers for it?
Yeah, actually, if you are going frame plus lenses, you'll get some discounts. So, as you have selected the half frame, actually we have different option in lens and lens material. So, we have different index option in the lens. Have a seat, have a seat. So sir, lenses we have are 3 different coatings. I'll just show you. So one, we have anti-reflective lenses which come with anti-reflection coating. So it actually reduces the reflection from your glasses. Then second, you'll get scratch resistance coating. You'll also get UV protection in our eyeglasses. Additional, there is water and dust repellent coating. So these are actually beneficial for your cleaning of the glasses and smudge resistance. So, you have computer and mobile use a lot? You are using a computer?
Yes. Using
Then for you, actually we have blue lenses. So it's come with all 6 coating, plus there is blue light protection, which usually comes from your computer or mobile. Evening, at the time of evening, you may feel a little bit of headache or fatigueness. So this lenses will help you.
it's all putting something together, right?
Yeah, so this all coating you will get in a single lens. So I'll show you the lens option also. So lens is come with different indexes. Yeah, so as your power is not much high, I'm not suggesting to go for a very high index such as 1.67. But as your frame is half frame, so it has opening from downside. So sometimes if you fall your glasses, it may got chipped. And to reduce that, we have index of 1.59. So the benefit of 1.59 index, it's impact resistance. So even if your glasses will fall, it won't get chipped. So I'll suggest to go for this lenses 1.59 index in this frame with your power and with blue light protection. So we need to take some markings. For that you need to come in eye examination room. We'll take some special measurement and according to that we'll make your lenses. Okay? So this is our eye examination room, sir. So now we need to take your eye examination, eye center marking. So the lens center should match with your eye center. Yeah. Just wear these glasses, sir. It's comfortable. Just check for fitting and everything.
Yeah, it's perfect.
It's perfect, no? So now we need to take your eye center markings. Perfect. So first you have to look in my open eye and we'll take the markings. Okay. So first look in my open eye. I'll touch your forehead and take the marking. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Now in this side. Perfect. Now I will also need to take your IPD measurements. So I will set your glasses. So again we have to do the same procedure. You have to look in my open eye and I'll measure your IPD. So just a little bit straight, perfect. Little bit forward, perfect. Perfect. So we'll measure your equity. Perfect. First looking में open है. Perfect. Now in this side. Okay. So right side 33. Left side 34. Perfect. That's it.
Hi sir. Hello. Good evening.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir.
So I'm looking for some accessories. Looking for sportswear. Something for the cricket.
Okay. I'll show you some. So Oakley is actually a sports brand.
Okay.
So typically the cricketers you are seeing them in the Oakley glasses.
Yeah, we generally use comfortable and lightweight.
So cricket actually has a more of a greenery around. So you need something which enhances your the brightness.
Yeah.
Try something like this. It has brown color. How about you for fitting? Fitting wise it's going nice.
Need the option?
Yeah, I'll show you some. So if you're looking for specifically cricket,
Yeah.
the glasses needs to be a little bit so they are become more comfortable. So we have this glasses. So even it has the straight tip, so it won't affect your ear. This is also fitting wise going nice. And it has
Yeah, that's nice.
it also has a little bit of graining filter.
Yeah.
And the
Then this is much more comfortable as well.
yeah. And the speciality of this glasses is come with prism coating.
Okay.
So as you see, the prism coating actually enhances the brightness.
Okay.
So if you are playing the cricket, there is all over greenery. In that scenario, the ball is getting more visible because of this coating.
Okay.
So it enhances your brightness. So it's going to be like very much comfortable when playing cricket and everything. Those are the like best options we can say. And even it's specifically made for cricket.
Yeah.
The price also very nice.
Look at this.
Yeah, sure.